In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view 4 charts in TradingView. This feature is incredibly useful for traders who want to monitor multiple data streams simultaneously, giving you a broader picture of market conditions and trends. So, let's dive in and see how you can effortlessly set this up on your TradingView account. The first thing you need to consider is your TradingView subscription plan. TradingView offers different levels of access based on your plan: free, essential, plus, and premium. The free plan allows just 1 chart per layout, which is unfortunately limiting for our purposes today. If you're on the essential plan, you'll have access to 2 charts in your layout. To unlock the ability to view 4 charts simultaneously, you'll need to upgrade your account to at least the Plus plan. This plan permits a 4-chart layout, offering a great balance between functionality and cost. Consider the premium package if you're someone who requires more than 8 charts at once, which can go up to 16. Assuming you've upgraded to the Plus plan or any other plan that permits multiple charts, let's move on to the next steps. Head over to your TradingView account and open up your chart workspace. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top toolbar. You'll notice a button that looks like a grid pattern. It's labeled Select Layout. This is your gateway to customizing how you view your market data. By clicking on the Select Layout button, a variety of grid options will appear. For our goal today, you'll want to choose a 4-chart layout. This is often displayed as a 2x2 grid. With just a click, your screen will transform, and voila, you'll see 4 chart panels appearing. Each chart within this 2x2 layout operates independently, allowing you to configure each one to track different markets, time frames, or technical indicators as per your requirements. This flexibility can significantly enhance your trading capabilities. You might want 1 chart to follow major indices, another to track currencies, a third for commodities, and the fourth perhaps on cryptocurrencies. It's entirely up to you how you'd like to diversify your view based on what you feel will help inform your trading strategy. Having the ability to view multiple charts at once empowers you to make more informed and timely decisions by having a comprehensive view of the markets right before your eyes. This multi-chart layout feature in TradingView is an excellent tool for both novice and experienced traders who wish to elevate their analytical capacity. And there you have it. A simple way to set up and view 4 charts simultaneously on TradingView, provided you have the appropriate plan. Make sure you experiment with different configurations that suit your trading style best. Thank you for tuning in, and happy trading.